Little sneak peek. Also a little spoiling right here. Anyway, hello, this is my another video, and in this video there's so much mess in here. Alright, in this video I had an idea about reusing an old vacuum cleaner's parts. In this case it's a cord rewind, as you can see, and I had an idea of actually making a extension cable from this thing. And I just wanted to show you how I did it, so you may be able to make this at home too, or at least get inspired and make something similar. Hey, this is Marty from Future. Please do not repeat anything I did in this video. It can be really dangerous. So I'll show you what parts I'll need and what stuff I'll need to make it, and let's get on it. Okay, so we're gonna need the cable rewind itself. I also found some wires, so we can actually connect these to the cable rail without having to solder wires to it, but I might still just solder the wires to it because I have seen no point in disconnecting these in the future. Well, we'll see. And maybe we're gonna need some more wires, and maybe also some pieces of wood, which will be the future case for the entire cable rewind. And also I forgot, we're gonna need the socket, the female socket, or male, female, I don't know, which will be basically connected like that, and we will be able to connect any appliances to this extension we're gonna make. So that's it. So let's go and try to make some case for this. This is gonna get noisy. Noisy. We just plug in my Kirche. Let's get ready to rumble.
Let's get ready to rumble!
I like my table too much. Wait a minute. Now that's perfect. Here we go. First piece is done. Now the second one. I love this weapon, it's so cool. It cuts through anything, like a butter or knife through butter, or well, whatever. Now I need to make a case for the cable reel itself. Okay, and I damaged my table right here. Give me a minute. I should have done this in the beginning. I'm so dumb. Anyway. Okay, so pizza for poor number 1 and pizza for poor number 2. Perfect. Okay, like that's enough for me. Alright, so far I have done this. It looks kinda okay, and the cable will go out just like that. This will have to be pressed, and now the cable goes back in. The next thing I want to do is to wire up everything, and I wanted to put a switch in there, but I know that many extensions that I had, very often this switch has failed, so I'll be probably getting like rid of this one, so maybe later, and I'll just wire up the cable reel directly to the outlet. Okay, so the final thing is finally finished, and I have to say it turned out better than I expected. Well, quite nice box. I'm actually kinda surprised I was able to make that, but it seems like it works somehow. There's still one thing that I have to somehow, well, still make, and that's the cable rail button. I have to use a little nail and insert it in the back and push. Oh, come on. This is a bad design. Oh. Yeah, here we go. So when the nail works, this works too. So I think it's turned out pretty nicely. I hope it will work, and we're gonna test it right now. So, oh crap. Oh no. Okay, never mind. It works again. Now let's test it. If it actually works and if this is a total piece of crap or not. Let me just count this down. Come on. 3, 2, 1. Okay, nothing so far, so that's a good news. Now let's, I don't know. Let's get the multi-tool here, for example, and see if it will work or not. Bro! Okay, that's not a clickbait, you can see the cable. Yeah, see the cable. Here is one end, here is the second end, right? And this goes into the socket, and this is not battery powered. And it looks like it works, so at least something. But still, do not try doing these shitty things at home. Rather buy a normal like extension cord or something, because this thing is actually pretty dangerous, and I just found out like only like a few minutes ago, because the wood is probably the worst material I could have used. It's flammable and it's flammable, so yeah, I'll rather disconnect this from the outlet and maybe toss it away entirely. So I hope you enjoyed this video. It wasn't like really about robot vacuums, but maybe at least you learned something that you can actually try to make at home. Please really do not try this at home, it's really quite dangerous. You can get inspired, but do not try this at home if you're not a professional. So that was it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!